This is the origin of machindranath Jatra. Long ago, during the reign of King Narendra Deva, the Kathmandu Valley suffered a devastating drought. Not for days, not for months, but for 12 long years. Crops failed, rivers dried, the land was dying. The king turned to astrologers for answers. They revealed a shocking truth. The drought was caused by Guru Gorakhnath, who had trapped the serpent gods that controlled the rain. There was only one way to restore balance: bring his teacher, Machindranath, to the valley. So the king, a tantric priest, and a humble farmer journeyed to distant Assam, facing countless dangers along the way. At last, they returned with the divine being, and the moment Machindranath arrived, Gorakhnath rose in respect. The serpents were freed, the skies opened, rain fell again, and from that miracle, a tradition was born, the great chariot festival that lives on even today.